Our dreams were simple. We worked hard, did what we were supposed to do, and eventually got comfortable. But the travel we kept putting off, that still felt out of reach. Then one night, we saw a commercial. A big promise. We looked at each other and thought, is that even possible for people like us? So we reached out to a local expert. He didn't sell us anything. He listened. He showed us what we already had and how it could give us the freedom to go where we wanted, when we wanted. The best part? Nothing really changed. Same house, same life, all the things we love, just without the money burden.
And the kids still have an option with the house. What could be better?